why are you talking like me? You're like, why is he speaking my language? Uh-huh. How does he know the ways of the robin? Uh-oh, there comes Flopsy. Come on down, Flopsy. Yay, Flopsy. Come on, let's talk about Rocket Lab. Let's talk about stock tips. Come on. Before Mr. Robin gets it. Oh, you. Look at you. Tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah, you little friend too. Got a little menagerie going on here. Flopsy. Flopsy's on her way. And I gotta start knocking out. There. Let me do the arm wave. Yay! You know where the food is. Just come and get it. She'll jump up on the other end of the table usually. But we'll see. Yep. Hey. So we were talking about Rocket Lab, right? So here's the thing. So I was looking into Rocket Lab, right? Because, you know, everybody says that's going to be the next, like, big, like, satellite launching, here, I'll zoom out, satellite launching service that's going to rival SpaceX, right? So, yeah, I know. It's crazy. So, but then I go to this lecture last month, and my good friend, Diane Turnchek, she's given a lecture about rocket launches and these, especially these swarms. They've been launching these like little rockets, like satellites for like communication for cell phones, that kind of thing. Satellite radio, mostly satellite phones, right? And Starlink, I think, is one of them. So anyway, all this junk is in space now. It's obscuring like optical astronomy. So now I don't want to invest in the company, even though it looks like a really great growth opportunity. So here's the dilemma. The dilemma is, do I invest with my heart or do I invest with my head, right? So like, you know, a lot of good stuff could come out of the, you know, the money I could make off of this stock. You know, I could give it to charitable organizations. I could buy more squirrel food and come and see you. But you know, fundamentally, I know that they're actually doing something that interferes with one of the things that I love, which is astronomy. You know? So I know, why you're so cute. Why do you do that with your tail? You're so cute. But that's where I am. So, you know, what's your opinion on that? What do you think? No opinion, huh? Okay. Well, all right. Let's go on to the next one. Tesla. You think Tesla's done? Think they're out of gas? Because they're an electric vehicle company. Get it? Out of gas? Yeah. So, I know, it's a pretty good joke. Oh my gosh, you guys are loud. Aw, look, he's so cute. I know, it's so cute. Yeah, I don't know either, but like I always want to have a couple shares of Tesla because you never know what they're going to do next, right? A really disruptive company. Could be, you know, especially the software that they're working on to make vehicles independent to drive. I mean, that's pretty amazing, to tell you the truth. So, yeah. So we're just wait for it to drop down to a respectable level and then picks them up, I think. Well, what else should we talk about today? How was your Mother's Day? Did the kids come and visit you? Did you get presents? They give you some food, some nuts? No, probably not. But you just look so fuzzy. You look like I could reach out and pet you, but I don't want to scare you. So. I love your little hands too. Like you got that like really dexterous thing going on there. Oh, sorry. Am I staring? I shouldn't be staring right at you, I guess. You running out of seeds? Oh, they're really loud. Is that it? What? Oh, did I move too quickly? I'm sorry. Here. I was just watching these little birds over there. Feeding each other. Hey, how about another walnut? You want another walnut? Oh my God. Would that be crazy? Would that be crazy? Would you want another walnut?